Transcend Home features Uponor AquaPEX plumbing and AquaSafe fire sprinkler systems, as well as a radiant ceiling heating and cooling system that was brought over from Europe. Through Uponor logic, these plumbing systems deliver water where it's needed quickly and efficiently to cut down on unnecessary pipe lengths and wasted water due to poor hot water delivery times. The radiant heating and cooling systems in the ceiling are inherently efficient by using larger surfaces to distribute the energy needed. This is especially important as we start to think about decarbonization. Lower supply water temperatures in heating and higher supply water temperatures for cooling optimize the efficiency of heat pump technology. Radiant systems also contribute to a healthy home. Because radiant systems don't use fans or blowers, it cuts down on dust and allergens circulating throughout the home. And additionally, the fire sprinkler system adds another level of safety at VISION House Transcend, giving extra time to evacuate and a head start on damage control in case of a fire.